Free and adventurous, the 2026 Suzuki Camper Van 4x4 is compact and all-wheel drive. Suzuki's tiny van chassis gives it strength and a welcoming, almost charming appearance. The tiny van features a beefier posture, bigger wheel arches, and skid plates for off-roading. A muscular blacked-out grille with Suzuki's insignia and square LED headlights give the front fascia a classic modern vibe. Fog lamps are hidden beneath matte black bumpers that match forest green, glacier silver, and desert sand paint. Smart engineering and comfortable design make the 2026 Suzuki Camper Van 4x4 inside superb. It's a working micro-home despite its size. Natural wood accents, gentle LED lighting, and cleverly folded, sliding, and tucked modular furniture are inside. 2 adults can sleep on a fold-away bench. A beautiful, firm mattress hides gear, tools, and food. A small kitchenette against the driver's side wall has a 1-burner gas stove, a sink with 20 L of onboard water, and an auxiliary battery-powered micro-fridge. These include USB, 12V, and a small wall-mounted touchscreen for battery, water, and temperature monitoring. Previous utility continues for Suzuki. These people made the RV cozy. In hotter places, carefully placed windows and pop-up vents circulate air, while insulated walls keep the cabin cool. Collapsible tables, blackout curtains, and outdoor shower tents are optional. The 2026 Suzuki Camper Van 4x4 excels. Trails, little creeks, and muddy back roads don't bother its engine. Its 200mm ground clearance and factory-installed off-road tires allow it to go where vans can't. Suzuki's new suspension's independent front struts and multi-link rear's smooth performance on roads and trails. Light, accurate steering is great for tight campsites or city lanes. A rare car that feels as comfortable outside the city as inside, the 2026 Suzuki Camper Van 4x4 parks and navigates metropolitan freeways. Another benefit is fuel economy. The Suzuki Camper Van 4x4 obtains 16 to 18 km/L depending on load and terrain thanks to efficient gear ratios and a lightweight chassis. A 40L gas tank lets you explore without range concerns. Minimal maintenance and built-in reliability. There are dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, hill hold aid, traction control, a rear view camera, strengthened body panels, a safety kit, and a roadside assistance SOS button. The 2026 Suzuki Camper Van 4x4 may fulfill your desire at $23,000 standard and $30,000 fully equipped.